Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install from Nadula Hair Amazon. They have been killing it lately. So today I'm showing you guys their pre-everything 13x4 pre-cut lace frontal wig. Now this lace does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. It also does have the bye-bye knots, therefore it looks extremely natural in the lace area. This is a nice, beautiful yaki texture, 100% human hair, 150% density, and I do have it in 20 inches. This wig is the perfect everyday wig. It looks so nice, and I'm loving the side part. I think it looks so cute. This is definitely a work-related wig. This is a church-related wig. This is a I'm going out type of wig. It just looks really natural, especially because of that yaki texture. So let's go ahead and get started. Now they sent the usual gifts, which is great, but I want to give you guys some close-ups of this wig. Again, it is a beautiful yaki straight texture. Yaki is kind of a little thinner than kinky hair, therefore it still looks really natural, but it's not super thick and it's not super textured. Now this lace does come with the ear tape adhesives, and this is what's going to help make the install process a lot easier and a lot quicker. So the first thing that I'm doing is just adding some foundation all over that lace, and then I'm going to throw her on and make sure everything is centered and is fitting me correctly, you know, all that good stuff. I'm also going to make sure I get all the little hairs away from the lace. That way we can have a clean area to work with. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to my channel, you haven't seen this yet, but if you watch my videos all the time, you guys have seen this a bunch of times. So you just peel off that beige strip and you literally just stick the lace down onto your skin. It's a double-sided tape, so one side sticks to the lace, the other side sticks to your skin. So after you peel off that beige strip, you just stick her down and you just press firmly and you should be good to go. They do send extra tapes, you guys, so just so you are aware, if for whatever reason it's not sticking, you can replace it. And every single time you take this wig off, you do have to replace the ear tape adhesives because it gets old. You can't leave the same one on, just so you are aware. So that's why they send extras, okay? Now obviously once you take off the ear tape, it's completely up to you as to whether or not you want to keep using it. But for all my lace frontal girlies, this is a nice, quick, simple, and easy way to install your lace front wig without having to use glue or a whole bunch of spray. Now me personally, I do have to go in with just a little bit of spray on the lace, and you guys will see I'm just dabbing just a tad bit right at the edges of the lace. It kind of just helps to make sure the lace is laying super flat, because sometimes it can fold back a little bit. I'm not too sure why. I think maybe it has to do with the packaging or something, but the spray really does help. However, this is an install without using any type of glue or using heavy spray, so I just wanted to reiterate that. This is what the lace is looking like now, you guys. It looks really natural. It's looking really good. I did add a little bit more foundation right at the edges of the lace per usual, and I added a lighter foundation in that side part to kind of mimic my scalp. And other than that, I didn't do anything. So we are good to go, and we're going to move forward with styling the rest of the hair. It's 20 inches, so you could kind of leave it as is, or you can do a little razzle dazzle like me. I did decide to just add a little bit of curls. You guys know I love doing loose curls. It's my favorite. I don't know if you guys are tired of me doing that, but I'm not. It's my go-to, and that's just how I prefer my hair to be done. After I added the curls, this is what the hair was looking like. Now, it's Yaki hair, so Yaki hair tends to have minimal shedding, so I didn't have crazy amounts of shedding. It didn't have a crazy smell, and it did not tangle, and the hair also took to the heat extremely well. So this is one of those wigs that's pretty straightforward. It's very beginner friendly, at least in my personal opinion. A lot of the hard work was done for you, especially when it comes to that lace, and that's typically the area that everyone struggles with or it takes a lot of time on, so they kind of minimized all of that for you. Okay, make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there. I hope you learned something today. Make sure you guys check this wig out. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.